Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to do a review on Lion Brand's Woolies cakes. First off, my reviews are not sponsored by anybody. I bought this yarn myself and nobody pays me for my reviews. So they are always my honest opinions, and that is just what they are, just my opinions. So you never have to listen to me, but I'll go ahead and we'll go over it real quick and we'll see what they're all about. So I'll go ahead and pick one up. So Lion Brand, let me tilt my camera down a little bit. Woolies cakes, 590 yards, 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and it is a lightweight 3 yarn. It says machine wash on cold and lay flat to dry. Recommended hook size is an H 5mm. Now, when I looked, seen these, they reminded me, of Lion Brand Mandala a little bit. Actually quite a bit, but Mandala doesn't really have any. It's 100% acrylic. It doesn't have any wool in it. So it comes in 8 colors, which I do have all 8 of them here, and I'll show them to you. I do like Lion Brand woolies. I like their bulky woolies, and I like their full weight weight woolies. So I'm probably gonna like this. So far I do. I have not crocheted with it yet, but I will here in just a minute. But we'll go over price-wise. You can get these at Walmart. This is where I got mine at. And they were just, I think, $4.98 a cake. The same price as what Mandala is at Walmart. So it's very similar to Mandala, except for the wool content. And of course the colors are different. They do have nice striping effect, or nice colors. I think are all pretty well put together on all of them. I do like all the colors that they have. So this one is their I can't say it. Tai Chi color. I know I'm not saying that right. I can't ever pronounce words very well. But it's got the olive green in the middle. Then it goes to the purple, yellow, green, blue, and pink. You can see the stripes right there. So that one's really pretty. There was none that I didn't like. This is their, I'm not going to be able to say that one either. That one. I can't pronounce them very well. I'm sorry. But that one's got a really pretty peach. Starts out with the peach in the center. And some different greens to orange and pink, some purple, some blue. There's the stripes on that one. I think I might be able to pronounce the rest of them if I remember right. Hades. Very pretty. All the purples and blues. I really like this one a lot. And this one is Athena. This one is probably my second favorite. Because I love browns. It's very pretty. Cream and browns. Just a hint of gray in it. Not much though. This one is my favorite one right here. And it is the Apollo. I think that's gorgeous. Look at that. The greens and the golds and the browns. Ooh, stunning. I think that'd be a pretty shawl. Very pretty. This one is... Ooh, I don't know if I'll be able to say that one either. Poseidon. I think that's what it is. So colors on that one. Blues, yellows, and greens. Very nice. And this one is Zeus. Blues and purples and golds. Pretty. So I believe they're all like mythical names, aren't they? Mythical. Aphrodite. And these are pretty much pinks and grays. A little bit of purplish pink there, but... So that's their colors. And that's the only colors they have available at the moment. So, by looking at them, you can see that they're really similar to Mandala. So I'm going to go ahead and crochet a little bit with one of them. Just to see what it's like. And I'm assuming it's probably going to be pretty similar to the mandala. Pull it out of the center. Ooh. That didn't come out good, did it? That's okay, though. Most of the time they do, I think. Alright. Okay. So their recommended was an H. I don't do good crocheting with smaller hooks. I'm going to use a J. But let's look at it. It's a 3-weight. It's pretty much the same size as mandala. It's a thinner 3-weight, but yeah, it's 3-weight. It's very similar to mandala. And I'll probably crochet about the same. I don't see it crocheting bad or anything. Yeah. I'm not extremely good with thin yarns like this. Yeah, it's crocheting fine. I figured that it would. Now, it does have that bit of wool in it, but I don't really think that it's going to get hung up on itself. Sometimes things with wool, in my experience, will get hung up on themselves when you try to take them apart. I don't think this is going to be one of them. I think it's just going to come right out. Now, I could be wrong, but we'll give it a try. See what happens. But no, it's not splitting or anything. So, seems to be working just fine to me, just like I figured it would. So we'll go ahead and try to pull it apart. But I think it should come right out. Yeah, I figured that it would. So, you know, it's on their website, I believe it's a little bit pricier. I think it was close to $8 on their website. Maybe even a little bit over if I can remember right. I don't have my laptop up at the moment to see. But it is available at Walmart. So it was $4.98, you know, the same price as a mandala cake. So I like this yarn. And I knew that I would. Because I already like all Lion Brand's other woolies yarns. I think they're all really nice. And this really has no colors that I don't like. Now, a mandala has a few, but this one really doesn't. These 8 colors so far that they have put out are all very pretty. I do believe that they will probably put more colors out. I think they'll add more to their line up because that's kind of what they did with the mandala. They just kind of put some out and then they would add more colors. And that's probably what they'll do with this. This is probably just their baseline starting colors. But they're all very pretty. I like them all. But I always recommend, if you get the chance and you have the means, maybe swing by your Walmart and pick one up and see if you like it. Now, I cannot tell you for certain if Joann's or Michael's carries these. I didn't look online. And I don't live I live too far away to go and look. I was at Michael's the other day and I did not see them there. So if that gives you, but that doesn't mean anything because sometimes things can be at one Michael's and not the other. But I don't know, maybe if this could be an exclusive to Walmart, because I know that mandala was in the beginning exclusively only at Walmart. I'm not saying that these are, but I'm saying that I didn't see them at my Michael's, and I don't know if I even seen them online when I was looking at Joann's the other day. I'm not 100% certain on that. But I do 100% certain know that you can get them at Walmart. If they don't have them at your Walmart yet, they probably will get them there, more than likely. If not, I'm sure you can get them off Walmart.com online. So I really like the woolies. And like I said, I knew that I would like it already, you know. But crocheting with it, it crocheted just like I thought it would. It crocheted nice. It came out nice. I like it better than the mandala because I like the touch of wool in it. Because I really like wool. I like mandala, but I think that this I like better, actually. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with the mandala. I mean, it's very pretty yarn. The colors are very beautiful in it. And this is extremely similar, but you can see that it does have that fuzz in it, and that is from the wool. I like that. I like wool yarns and yarns that have wool in them. So yeah, it's a nice yarn. I think that if you get it, I think you'll like it. You know, as long as you don't want to get it if you're allergic to wool or nothing. But and all the colors are very pretty. But yeah, just my recommendation is always just to get a cake if you can. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. So, you know, have you tried this yet? Let me know in the comments if you have and what you think about it. Also, let me know, even if you haven't tried it, by looking at these colors, which one's your favorite color. Let me know in the comments. I always like to know when I have all the colors available of a yarn what your favorite is. Mine is the Apollo. It's so pretty, and when I make something out of this yarn, it's going to be the first thing that I make is going to be with this color. It's gorgeous, very pretty, and this is probably my second. I don't know, it's hard to rate them. The pink's pretty, purple's pretty, they're all really pretty, but yes, this is definitely number one, the Apollo. So that's my review. Short, sweet. It's a nice yarn. I'm very happy with it. I will buy it again, definitely, just like I buy their mandala. Like it's super similar to it besides the wool content. So if you like mandala, you're gonna like this. I guarantee it. It's super nice and very similar. So yeah, I like this one. Lion Brand did a good job, and I do see this being around for quite a while, and I do see them adding more colors to it eventually. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It's a good review. That's it. So yeah, remember, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite color and if you've tried it yet, and let me know what you think about it. Thanks everybody for watching. Nice job, Lion Brand, on this one. Bye bye everybody.